Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making a quick and easy pumpkin puree recipe. As you may know, there are different methods to make this recipe. In today's tutorial, I will be using the boiling and blending method. You can also use the baking and blending method. Without any further delay, let's get right into the video. The first thing I will be doing is peeling the pumpkin. After peeling it, I will cut these into desired pieces. Now that they are cut into nice pieces, I am going to add them to a pot. After adding them to a pot, I am going to wash these properly, add water, and then put it to boil. In order to find out if they are cooked, you can test it with a fork. After cooking it properly, I am going to drain the water off and leave it to cool. The next step is to put these pieces in your blender, add a little water, blend until it is smooth. Repeat this step until you are through. There we have it, nice smooth pumpkin puree. You can use this to make your favorite Starbucks drink, some nice pumpkin juice, or some pumpkin rice. This is the end of this video. I hope you learned something new. See you guys in the next video. Until next time, bye!